Can you tell me what is written on it?
No, sir. It's in Arabic. I can read Arabic, but I don't understand it.
Interesting. You can read a language, but you can't understand it. That's a hell of a job.
But it's normal in Pakistan, sir. Majority of the people read it, but they don't understand it.
Strange, isn't it? I mean, why the hell do you learn to read it if you don't want to understand?
Because... I don't know, sir. It sounds absurd, but believe me, it's true.
Do you know what it means?
No, sir, I don't.
Oh God, protect me and bless me with success and bless me with strength